Beginner painters always wanted to learn how to paint someone's portrait because now you can with the portrait painting course by Canvas Academy. This is a beginner-friendly painting course that's going to show you completely step-by-step how to actually paint somebody's portrait. And the key is breaking up the portrait into smaller, manageable steps that we're going to call building blocks, so that we take the time to really focus on each individual section of the face before we bring it all together into one final result. And we're not just doing one person's face, we're going to do multiple faces in this whole course so that you really get the chance to practice everybody's different, unique eyes, mouths, skin tones. Now, listen, I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking there's no way that someone like me, a beginner, total beginner painter, is going to be able to paint anything as near, as gorgeous as like these beautiful portraits I have behind me, right? Well, I'm going to tell you right now, you can. It is 100% possible. And that's because this course is really truly designed for beginners that have never painted a face before. And it's designed to teach you how to paint a face in the simplest way possible. For one, there's absolutely no drawing required on your part in any of the courses. So if you're someone that says, hey, I can't even draw a stick figure, I got you, you don't even have to. Secondly, like I just said, we're going to break up every piece of the face into small, manageable steps. And even from there, we're going to break things up even further into like micro steps to give you a path to get to the eventual goal of painting somebody's entire face. And lastly, what's really going to make this course accessible to you as a beginner is the fact that we're going to do everything in grayscale. We're still going to use acrylic paint, but we're going to do everything in black and white. So you don't have to worry about color mixing at all. This way we can just strip away all the worry about mixing different colors and stuff, and we can just focus on the shape and the forms that are within somebody's face. You're going to be so surprised by what you're capable of when you take this course with me, I promise. So come and join me and learn to paint portraits, my fellow painters.